Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be making a pop-up card. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to want a piece of plain paper. Here I have a piece of manila paper, but you can use any color construction paper or even a plain piece of copy paper. It's totally up to you. Go ahead and lay your paper down to be landscape style so that it's wide in front of you. You're going to fold your paper in half. So put one hand on top, one hand underneath, and line up your corners. Once you have your corners lined up where you want them, pull your hand out and push down on that fold. You're going to want to push down again on the fold so it's nice and crisp. After this, what we're going to do is fill in the center. We're going to fill it in with the same shape, and we're going to do several of them. I'm going to be doing hearts. You can do other shapes as well, but for my example, I'm going to be using hearts. And here I have some strips of pink and red paper. What I want to do is cut out several hearts that are pretty much exactly the same. So I'm going to fold my paper in half. I want to make a heart. To do the heart shape, you're thinking of like a teardrop shape to the side here, okay? This is a symmetrical shape, so when you cut out half of it, it should make the full heart. Let's go ahead and try it. So here I have several hearts because I cut out more than one layer at a time. Let's do a few more. I think I could fit one, maybe two more. Let's try one here. Some students will want a freehand cut. That's totally okay if you feel confident in trying that. I love your can-do attitude. If you want to fold and then draw it, you could also do that as well. Ooh, looks like I don't have quite enough room for three. That's not going to be very big. Let's see. Now while I'm cutting, you can see my paper turns. My scissors stay face forward. All right, that was a little smaller than I wanted, but that's okay. I have more paper if I need, and I can keep this scrap paper if I need it for something else, or I can recycle it. Now that I have these wonderful hearts and this paper is folded in half, we're going to start using glue to layer them, okay? Let's start with one heart kind of in the middle. Let's do our big ones to start. So I'm going to glue, let's do pink, red, pink, red, pink, red. So it's going to be like this. I'm going to glue these together, and then I'm going to glue this piece there and this piece on that side and close it. Let's start by putting the dot of glue. And then we're going to smear our glue really well so that it's transparent. You'll see that it's so invisible that it's just shiny. I'm going to place this heart and line those up together. Press and hold with the hot part of my hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, because I'm using construction paper does take a little bit longer for glue to absorb into the paper than it does copy paper. So you might want to give that 5 seconds and bump it up to 10 seconds just because copy paper and construction paper are different. Construction paper does take a little longer to absorb the glue. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's starting to come together here. Let's do another layer. There we go. That goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take these and I'm going to layer them too because this looks really cool already. And this is going to go in here, kind of in the middle. So when I open it up, it's going to open up this like heart. All right, smearing that glue so it's transparent. Okay. bit more here. Got to smear that glue. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so I kind of did 2 at the same time there. There we go. So I'm kind of opening it up in between, so I'm making sure I'm not gluing any of these pieces all the way shut. Let's do these last 2 pieces on this side, and then we'll put it in our card. I'm so excited. Looking so much fun. Now I'm doing heart shapes. I've seen flower shapes look really nice. I've seen the circle shape look really cool as well. Like you could decorate each little area to be, I saw like a really cool project where a student did circles and made it look like the globe, the world, and each opening had like a different picture of a different spot in the world. Super cute. All right, let's put those hearts to the side. So now I'm going to glue this piece and this piece. Smear, smear, smear. Let's kind of put that in the middle here and close that. Oh my gosh, look at that. My nice fold's getting all messy. All right, I gotta brush that down. Do my best to keep it nice and neat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. And here when we open it up, so we've got this pop-up heart that pops up off of the paper. Now my glue seems like it's still drying and it's trying to glue shut. So I'm going to need to keep this open and let it air dry a little bit. This is looking so cool. Yeah, see that piece wanted to stay down. There we go. Pull that up. I should do this side too. Yay. No, guys, look. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I just gotta be neat. Push that down. Neat. There we go. Now I can go ahead and take these guys. Let's see. I could glue them together and glue like a little heart there. I think I just want to do, let's do one here, one here, one here, and we'll put this one right there. So I'm gluing one side down so the other part of the heart kind of sticks up. I think that's kind of cute. Smear that, put that down there. Smear and put that there. Smear and put this one here. Yay! Look at this cute little card and little hearts that pop up. Now if you want to write a cute little message, go for it. It is up to you. If you want to make this for someone, again, that's up to you. You're the artist. It's your creation. So here I have a heart that pops up. So I could put like I need a pink. Let's do pink. Ooh, that's too dark pink. I need like a light pink. Here, let's try this one. L O B E. If I let this dry a little bit more, it'll be easier to write on. Love you. Oh, looks like I ran out. I needed one more space for the U. I love you. Aw, it's still a cute idea. Yay! Till next time, guys, be sure to keep being creative.